Yes, hello. So, how are you all? My name is Yogesh and we are doing standard 11th statistics. In standard 11th, we are doing chapter number 4. Okay, we had done standard deviation classes. In standard deviation, we had done when classes and frequency both are given in the last. Just we can have a quick revision what we had done yesterday. It started with the topic when class and frequency are given. To find the standard deviation, when class and frequency are given, you have to convert this classes, you have to convert xi from the classes. Okay, how to find xi from classes? Just you have to find the mid value. It is as simple as that. Then you have to find fi into xi. That means my first step is to find mean. So to find mean, it is fi xi upon n. Then my formula for standard deviation is sigma fxi square upon n minus x bar whole square and root. Now this fixi square is what? See this fxi square. This is what fxi into x. Okay. So it is 175, 1350, 9375. Total is 45850. Now this is your okay. This is your standard deviation. We had done exercise 4.4's fifth sum also with the same formula. What we are going to do today? Today we are going to do illustration number 17. So let me write the question. Illustration 17. Calculate the standard deviation from the following frequency distribution marks obtained by 200 students at school in an examination. Marks are given 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 70. Number of students 5, 12, 30, 45, 50, 37, 21. So total there are 200 students. Okay. When classes is given, I have to find mean first. Mean is to be found in each and every steps you can say, or each and every category. So to find mean, I have to find xi first because xi is not given. Class and frequency are given. So how to find this xi? It's 5, 15, 25, 35, 35, then 45, 55, 65, and fixi. It's 5, 5, 25, 180, 750, 45 into 35 is 1575, 50 into 45 is 2250, 37 into 55 is 2035, 65 into 21 is 13. So my total for fixi is 8180. Now my X bar is FXI upon N. So what is my total for FXI? My total for FXI is 8180 upon 200. So it's 8180 upon 200. 50.9. So what is my standard deviation here? Sorry, what is my mean here? They are taken in different methods, so they didn't got the mean. Let us find fx is square. Okay, we are doing one method so that uniformity maintains. Yes, in some sums the digits are very large in numbers. But yes, you are having calculator. That's fine. It's 25 into 5. It's 180 into 15. It's 27. 750 into 25. 1575 into 35. 55125. 250 into 40. 101250235 into 55 is 111,925. Then 1365 into 60 is 88725. So now what is my total? My total will be total is 3,78,600. Now let me find the standard deviation. My standard deviation is fxi square upon n minus x bar whole square. So my xi square is 378,600 upon n 200 minus 50.9 whole square is 378,600 upon 200. It's 1893 minus what is square of 50.9? 1672. Minus 1893 0.19 0.19 14.86 15.8. Everything is in marks, so it will be in marks. This is 14.8 marks. Okay. Yes, it is that easy. We have solved 17 in some also. Now we are going to solve 18 sums. You can write a bit important or something because the data given is in the more than form. Data given is in the more than form. Let us find this illustration. 18. Find the standard deviation of the daily wages from the following information of wages is of workers of factory. Daily wages can be these. It's more than 130. So everything is in more than. So let us write like this: more than 130, more than 150, then more than 170, 190, 210, 230, number of persons, 150, 142, 116, 57, 14 and 0. 150, 142, 116, 57, 14 and 0. No need to do the total of this. Okay. Now this is more than frequency. That means this is the data is in the cumulative form. Data is in the cumulative form. You cannot find standard deviation from the given data. Then, sir, if we cannot find standard deviation, why they ask? We can find, but not from the given data. We have to convert this data. Sir, where to convert? We will convert it into the classes form. Okay, so this more than frequency will be converted into the form of classes. Okay. Now, how to convert this into the classes? We'll be starting with first class, that is 130 to 150. Okay. So I'll be keeping classes like this: 130 to 150, then 150 to 170, 170 to 190, 190 to 210, 210 to 230, and above 230 we can keep it for your reference. Okay. Now, if I want to find frequency for this class, that is 130 to 150, 130 to 150. This particular gap I have to put it as a frequency. So for classes 130 to 150, my frequency is 8. Okay, that is 150 minus 1. Got my point? Then for class 150 to 170, it's 142 minus 116. It's 142 minus 116. is 26. This is 150 to 170. For 170 to 190, the gap is between 116 and 57. And for 190 to 210, the gap should be between 57 and 14. For 210 to 230, the gap between 14 and 0. So you didn't got the last class, that is about 230. So it's fine. If you don't want to write that last class about 230, it's fine. Because here obviously there is no digit. Now this is my question. My total of frequency should be 150. As in more than classes it started with 1. So my total is 150. That means I have done right till now. Yes. Now let us come to the cumulative frequency. CFF. 8 plus 26 plus 59 plus 43. We need to find CFL. Let us find XI. We have to find the standard deviation. So let us find XI. Now how to find XI? Obviously it is the mid value. 140, 160, 180, 200, 220. There is no last class, so please don't write. Sum is only up to here. Now digits are very large, so your calculation might be 114, it's 1120, 26 into 160, 4160, 180 into 200 into 220. So 5 years. So my mean will be fxi upon n. So it is 27580 upon 150. It's 183.87. 183.87. This is my mean. Then let us find fxi square. Find the standard deviation. How to find fxi square? You have to multiply fxi into xi. This is 1120, 140, 156, 4160 into 160, 665, 1911, 17 lakh 20, 677, 6. My total is 156800, 565600, 17 like 20,000. It's not 17 like 20. So 15680 17 like 513160. So now my standard deviation is xi square upon n minus x bar whole square. Now the sigma fxi square is 513160 on 150 minus 183.87 square upon 150. It's 34210.67 minus 183.87. 33808.18. Three four two one zero point six seven minus 3308.18. It's 20. One minute up. Yes, 34210.67 minus 3308.18 is 402.4. 402.49 is root 20.06. What is this 20.06? Your xi is in rupees. 20.06 is it? Yes, so we have solved this 1718. So yes, we have completed this standard deviations part. We had seen everything. This is when xi is given, fi xi is given, classes and frequency are given. This topic was very important. Till this topic is continued as the coefficient of variation. This coefficient of variation we will be doing in the next. Okay. That's it for today. Thank you.